guys, welcome to another episode of our video series following the progress of our construction site in Brewster. Today I'm here to show you the latest updates on the project, and as you can see, the construction work is moving along quite well and progressing steadily. The septic tank, which is an important part of the overall construction process, has already been completed, as you can see here in this area. Everything is going according to plan, and the progress so far has been very encouraging. And today we're here with the team that's currently installing the insulation right now. So I'm going to walk around the house and really show you how things are definitely looking. And we'll go inside and film the insulation work. As you can see right here in this area, this is the exact spot where our septic tank was being carefully and professionally installed by the construction team. We actually finished this important phase of the project about 2 weeks ago, so on the outside, not much has really actually changed at all since the last time we were here, because it's not the time to make a lot of changes out here. Let's take another look at this beautiful lake. This is the view the house will have. It's beautiful, isn't it? As you can see, this is actually the process of the insulation being installed right now. We decided to use spray insulation for its many benefits. Spray foam, which is commonly used for insulation in buildings. And that's how it is. That's what it looks like after it's applied. It's a lot more modern than those old types of insulation. Look, and how it looks up there. This is the garage, right? And let's go inside. And after the stage is completed, the construction process will then continue to move forward as planned. At the beginning of the interior finishing phase. So now we'll have the installation process. For this step of the walls, I believe that's the next step at this point in the process. Very soon, we'll see. The bathrooms are currently being installed in the process. The kitchen. I think I covered it all. And that's what we have here today. These are the updates. See you next time. Bye.